Hello guys, today we have Whirlpool dishwasher W7F and welcome on the Toilet Programs overview video. So the program number 1 is Eco. It is a program suitable to clean normally soiled tableware that for this use is the most efficient program in terms of its combined energy and water consumption. The duration of wash program is 3.5 hours. The water consumption 9.5, energy consumption 0.76 of kilowatt hours. The next program is Auto Intensive. Automatic program for heavily soiled dishes and pans. The duration of wash program is from 2 hours and 25 minutes to 3 hours and 10 minutes. The water consumption from 15 to 24 liters. The next program is Auto Mixed. Automatic program for normally soiled dishes with dried food residues. The duration of wash program is about 1 hour 20 minutes to 3 hours and the water consumption from 7 to 19 liters. Number 4, the AutoFast automatic program for normally and lightly soiled dishes. The duration of wash is from hour to 1 hour and 50 minutes. The water consumption from 7.5 to 50.5 liters. Program number 5, the Rapid program is recommended for limited amount of lightly soiled dishes with no dried food residues. The duration of wash program is from half hour to 40 minutes. The water consumption from 10 to 12 liters. The program Crystals program for delicate items which are more sensitive to high temperatures. The duration of wash program 1 hour 40 minutes to 1 hour 50 minutes. The water consumption from 12.5 to 16.5. Number 7, Silent for nighttime. The duration of wash program is 3 hour 50 minutes to 4 hour 10 minutes. The water consumption from 10 liters to 40 liters. The Sanitizing program is for a normally or heavily soiled crockery with additional antibacterial wash. The duration of wash program from 2 hours to 2 hours 10 minutes. The water consumption from 12 to 90 liters. The pre-wash program number 9, used to refresh the crockery planned to be washed later. The duration of wash program 12 minutes. The water consumption 4.5 liters. The Self-Clean program number 10, program to be used to perform maintenance of the dishwasher. The duration of wash program 1 hour 50 minutes and the water consumption 11 liters. And that's it. Thanks for watching, leave us a like or a comment and goodbye.